actually want that, not a stupid lemonade.
Little Einsteins, stop yelling at me. The employee was nice enough to offer you another drink. Take advantage of that opportunity.
No way, Mom. Leo, Quincy, June, and me, we want iced tea.
Little Einsteins, stop this right now until further notices.
That's it. You asked for it. Leo, Annie, June and me are going to hit Little Bill to the ground because your show sucks.
Leo, Quincy, Annie and June. How dare you hit Little Bill to the ground? That's it. Let's go home right now. And instead you guys will only have dog food. Are you okay, little baby?
Yeah, Mom, I'm fine.
Little Einsteins. You guys are so fucking grounded, 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 grounded for 6 weeks now. Get your fucking ass on the floor right now until further notices. So that you guys can receive your belt beating.
Mom, why did you hit us so hard with a belt?
Because you guys are fucking grounded, 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 grounded until further notices. As punishment, you will be executed on Christmas. Now go to sleep until the execution time on Christmas. Anyway, I'm out. You will never leave your room under any, and I repeat, any circumstances. Have fun being grounded. Little Einsteins, shut the hell up and go to sleep on the goddamn floor right now until further notices.